Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I'm so excited today, y'all, because I have been given some more beautiful items from the company WISKF. And they are just a wonderful company. I've done several videos for them. I've done several giveaways. And they approached me and said, hey, we'd like to send you some more items. And would you do another giveaway? So that's what I'm doing. And this giveaway, there will be 5 winners. 5 winners, y'all, and you will win $15 gift certificates for their website. So let me show you some of the items that they sent me because they're just beautiful. Now, what I want to call their basic, normal, everyday item is this bag, is this style of bag. It is 15, I think it's 15.7 inches across here, but I say 15 and a half just to make it easy, and 15 and a half. So it's a perfect square. And look at how pretty this one is for summer. Or, you know, it's got a beautiful cardinal. It's a summer scene, but this kind of thing can perk you up in the wintertime. So go ahead and use it. And then the drop on the handle is 12 inches. So you can easily get that over your shoulder. So you can fold this up nice and small and put it in your purse. Or you can take several of these bags and put a bunch of them in one bag and take them into a store like Aldi's where you have to have a bag to get out of there because they don't give you bags there unless you pay for them. In my area, I still get bags at the store, but I can save on I'll say no to the plastic and use these bags for my groceries. This easily holds a gallon of milk and other products. It holds 2, if not 3, maybe even 4 2-liter sodas. I mean, this will hold a lot. This will hold several bags of big, giant potato chips. It'll hold vegetables. You can have separate bags for vegetables, separate bags for your bread, so things don't get smashed. You can do so much with this. And several of y'all have told me that in your areas, you have to pay now for the plastic bags, or even if you want a brown paper bag. So having these, you don't have to pay for them because you've already got them for yourself. You can win some. So here is a cute sloth. I know y'all like sloths, so I thought I'd get one of those. And most of the time, the print is the same on both sides. That's what I've seen. And again, this is another one that is the 15 by 15, 15.5, you know, square, perfect square, and then the drop, the 12-inch drop. And let me just show you how well these are constructed. See, they are, here's the handle. They can hold quite a bit of weight. I think it's 50 pounds. And, you know, I'm pulling on there really hard, and it's not coming loose. It's going to hold. It's going to hold up for you. And they have other products on their website. But here's another one of these 15 by 15 bags in owls. Isn't that adorable? And see, and then the black handles. They're super cute. Let me show you something else. They also have cosmetic bags. And this is the first time I've gotten one. It's very, very nice. I picked this out. I thought it was so cute. And it is very soft. And it's got like it's got foam in there, I think. You know, it's lined. It's lined very nicely, and it's not just fabric. There's like a foam, so it's got a little bit of a shape to it. And this one, I measured this. It was 8 inches this way and 5 inches this way, and then it has a nice zipper, an easy zip, and it has a cute little tab for you to, you know, you can hold on that as you open. And that'll hold your cosmetics or whatever else you want to put in there. You can put this into one of your bags for safekeeping. You know, you have your credit cards in there, your money, and put it in the bottom of that bag. But isn't that cute with the lips on it? I thought that was adorable. This is $4.99. The bags that I've been showing you are $5.99. And some of them are a little bit higher, like $6.99, because they might be a character, like a brand name character. Here comes the train. So look at this beautiful seashells. Again, you don't have to use this just in the summertime, but you could. But you can, you know, perk yourself up in winter. It's you know, dismal. Let me get out something fun. You can use this for the beach. You can put some towels in here and your sun lotion and your sunglasses and your credit card in the bottom, or get you a bag to throw in the bottom of this bag. So just, these are great for throwing in the car. 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, throw them in the car, then you have them when you go to the grocery store and you can use them. Look at how cute that one is. The koala with his beautiful flowers on his head, his or her head. Adorable. And again, you know, this is the 15.5 by 15.5. And I do have some other items from them. I have an apron. I thought this was super cute. Let me move back a little bit. These are coffee cups. Isn't that pretty? And this is just a regular, simple apron. Put it over here and it'll hang down and you tie it, you know, so you can, again, I think I told you before, if you like this up a little bit higher, all you have to do is tie a little knot in this, you know, if you like it a little higher. But isn't that a cute print for the apron? And the aprons are $6.99. I think that's how they start, at $6.99. And I think I have another one. This one is $7.99. This one's a little bit longer, I think. Oh, it has different straps. Okay, so this one, the one I showed you was $6.99. I think, if I remember correctly, this one is $7.99. And see how this, here's the different strap. So this one's a thinner strap, and then this one's a little bit thicker strap. And this is sunflowers. Well, you can't see because I'm sitting, but it ties in the back. It's a little bit bigger. Oops. And then look at how pretty this is. This one is the sunflower. Again, something that brighten up your house in the winter time, or just use all year. And you can wash these, you know, they're easy to wash. But that is the larger one, and then this one is a little bit smaller. But they still cover, I'm a big person, and they still cover, you know, where I would splatter food. So, but this is nice maybe for a child too. They're really pretty. And then they have these large bags. And I've shown you these before. They have these bags, the most beautiful bags with initials. They have bags in the 15.5 by 15.5 with initials on them, and they're just beautiful. But I don't get the initial ones because this way I can share these. This comes with a ribbon. You can keep it on or not. You can tie it in a bow or not. This one is 12 inches across, and then from top to bottom it's 8 inches. And then this bottom is about 5.5 inches, I think it was, 5.5 to 6 inches. And when you open this one up, oh, this has an 8-inch drop on the handles. And again, it fits on my shoulder, and I'm a big person, like I said. So when you open this up in this bag, see how this has a flat bottom, so you know, you could easily put bottles in here and that type of thing. And then it has this zipped pocket inside. So you can keep your credit cards, your keys in there, zip it up, and then carry that with you. Like I said, you can put it over your shoulder and take that shopping with you. Or this is fabulous for an overnight bag. This one is not printed on both sides. So that one is $12.99. And this is how the giveaway is going to work, y'all. Oh, I have another one to show you. Okay. This was, I just picked out some pretty ones. This is the regular bag. So this says, water your soul, listen to the birds. Garden, grow. Just really pretty. I love birdhouses. I love birds. I love nature. Beautiful. So I have a bunch of bags, and they're all so beautiful. And I just wanted you to see a good variety of them, and with the aprons as well. And how this is going to work is I will put all the information in the description, their website. So what you're going to do is go to their website and sign up for their emails, and then come back and tell me, Mary, I have subscribed to their emails. And you'll start getting emails. I don't know how often they send them. I get them, and I don't, you know, get barraged with them. But I have a code for 5% off if you want to buy anything. And they have all kinds of sales. And I honestly do not know if you can use my code with the sale items. I know some of y'all have bought before, so if you know that answer, say below. But you can use my code. You can use their sales because they do have some great sales. Like if you buy buy 4 or 5, you might get 1 or 2 free. So go for those, you know. But if it'll let you use the 5% off, go ahead and take the 5% off too, because that'll, you know, give you more of a savings. But they're just such nice quality bags, and they're going to last you a good while, and they're great for the areas especially where you can't get a bag anymore at the store. And for places like where I live, where I still can get a bag, I just have always been someone that likes to recycle. So I prefer not to get a bag, and I'll use one of my bags, and that way I can save the environment. And so what you need to do is go sign up for their email, come back and tell me that you did it. And then I will pick in 2 weeks. I'll put the dates in the description. And if you are subscribed to their website and are getting the emails, then you are eligible to win. And I will pick 5 winners. And I'm only going to be able to go by your word that you have signed up. And when I send your email, you're going to send me your email. And when I pick your name, I'll let you know. You'll send me your email. I'll send it to them, and they'll check. And if you are signed up for their emails, then you will get $15 to spend on their website. So like I said, you'll be able to, you can get this. This is $12.99. And the ones with the initials, oh my goodness, they're just beautiful. They're all their bags are so pretty. And again, any hobby that you have, anything that you like, you're going to find some bags. And these are $4.99, and it's such a nice cosmetic bag. It's a fabric that I think you probably can, wipe off and all, and it's cushioned, so it's got some. It's not just flimsy. And then the aprons are just so beautiful. So you can have a couple of these aprons with different prints on them, and if you like the one that's a little bit bigger, they have those sizes as well. So just do what I asked you to do, and you can win. So that is the giveaway. And these items, I'm going to use some of them. I'm going to be gifting some of them, and I may be putting some in future giveaways as well. They're just beautiful. So thank you all for stopping by to see the giveaway. And like I said, it will run about 2 weeks, 15 days, something like that. And then I'll let y'all know. I'll do a video that tells you who won, and then you'll contact me with your email information, and we'll send that off to WISKF company, and they will send you an email with your $15 winning. So I'm just so excited about this because you're gonna, that's a great. You're gonna get a couple of things for that. So I'm just excited. I'm just excited to keep working with them. I think they're a wonderful company. They're super kind to talk to back and forth with me, and they have very nice products. And when I went in the website today to see the pricing, to write down the pricing, because I wasn't quite sure, I want to make sure I had the right pricing, they have new bags that are zip top, and I think those were they $9.99 something, but they're a big bag with a nice drop handle, and they're bigger than these, and they have a zip top. So they have new products coming in. So go see them, and I think you'll really like their company. And y'all take care and count your blessings, and thanks for stopping by.